Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Integrals exercise 7.3 question number 19. Let's see the question. Integrate 1 by sin x into cos cube x dx. It is in by, though we know that one is the differentiation of the other, we can't take it because it is in the denominator. Du will be in the denominator. It's quite difficult for us to solve it. For that reason we are going to change the numerator denominator here. We know that sine by dividing a cos, tan and 1 by cos cube can be written as secant cube. So tan and secant is related. For that reason, in this sum we are going to change tan and secant. For that I want a cos and divide. So I am going to multiply a cos and divide a cos. For that we are not changing the question while multiplying and dividing. Now this sin x by cos x can be written as tan x, and this cos power 4x, multiplying this 2 we get cos power 4x. This taking to the numerator it becomes secant power 4x, which can also be written as secant square x in the whole square dx. Now we know that the relation of secant tan x is secant x, the differentiation. Now this can be differentiated and written as secant, but the whole square is there. Again du square cannot come, we can't write du square. So I am changing this as secant square x into secant square x dx by tan x. I want only one secant square x, so I am writing it as secant square x into secant square x. This I am changing it to 1 minus tan square x by tan x into secant square x dx. Now taking u as tan x, because we know that the differentiation of tan x is secant, so let u is equal to tan x, and du by dx is equal to secant square x, du is equal to secant square x dx. So this whole thing can be written as du, and here 1 minus, this can be written as u square. So integration 1 minus u square, sorry, secant square is 1 plus tan square. So 1 plus u square by u into du. Now taking this denominator separately, we have 1 by u plus u square by u is u du. We can integrate separately because of the addition sign. So 1 by u integration is log u plus u is it is as x power n, which is can be written as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this can be written as x square u square plus u by c, u square by 2 plus c. Now we can't leave it as u. We are going to change u as tan x, so it becomes log tan x plus tan square x by 2 plus c is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.